The fill method is perhaps the simplest one in all of the native JavaScript functions that we're going to go over. Really simply, all it does is you call it on an array and it fills it with a value repeatedly as many times as you tell it in between two indices. And if you don't include an indice, then it just fills it in for the entire array. Go ahead and copy colors over into your console and then run fill, and you'll see it took every value and replaced it with the new value that we told it to replace it with, in this case yellow. And in this other example, we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to start at index 2 and end at index 3. So 0, 1, 2, we're going to start there and end at 3. When we say end at 3, we mean end before 3. So actually we're just going to replace this one index here. Like so. And now we have green that was replaced with yellow. If we wanted to replace orange as well, we could move the index 4. Doing it again. There you go.